Udah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Zio Dafa from 12 Science 1, and I will show you how to install game on Windows 10. If you don't have enough storage in your laptop, you can use hard disk. This my hard disk is 500 GB, and the material needs is laptop and hard disk. If you don't have enough storage in your laptop. And the first step is, because my game file is in the hard disk, I use the hard disk to install game. First step is input your USB hard disk in this port of USB. The first step is open your hard disk. My hard disk is local disk F, and then open your folder is where you put your file. My file is on game installer, and just one game. If you want your install, I want to install my game is Grid Autosport. No. It's Call of Duty Black Ops 2. And then open your setup like this. Click yes, and then you don't need to read, you just click next. You can put your file game in this. If you want put your file in hard disk, you can click browse, and then you find local disk F like this, and then you put in your file. Click OK. Still needed at least 13.27 GB of free space. Installation needs 13.27 GB. Click install, and waiting for just a few minutes. Okay, Call of Duty Black Ops 2 is done, and just waiting a few minutes, waiting for the installation change into the finished text. Extracting file, just a few minutes. Call of Duty Black Ops 2 is finishing setup process. Just a few seconds, waiting few seconds, and there is the box. Don't fill the checklist in this box, because maybe you can run and crash. Just click finish, and if you run the Call of Duty Black Ops 2, is open the run as administrator. Yes, run as administrator is safe for running something apps and something games.
Closing. Ngapain lu running?
Okay, this game is running, and Thanks for watching, and I hope you can follow step by step for me. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.